can even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cooking. Well, I'm gonna be making spinach dip, artichoke or chives, whatever. Okay, and he's cooking wings. Yeah, I wanted to do like a little game day type thing, even though it's not game day. So it's gonna be wings and waffle fries. So yeah, I got the pretty easy job. I just gotta mix everything together. So I'm gonna start with the Romano cheese, and they actually made some shredded, and I didn't realize that was what that was because I didn't finish reading the words on it. But I got a shredder. Shredder grater. So I'm gonna start with that. So it's just gonna cost for some mozzarella cheese, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 10 ounces of this, 10 ounces of that, some garlic, and then supposed to be, I think it was 10 ounces of this too. But I'm just gonna mix it together, on the cream cheese. Make sure that you leave your cream cheese out so it can get soft. So let me start this. Let me just start this thing off right. I'm trying to semi-open this because I don't want to do it on it. You know what? I'm going to do some of it close so I'm not going to be out of it. I think I have a look at this too, but I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna put it in there. It'll be alright. Now I ain't used this in a minute, but I've been seeing people on TV use it. Yeah. Like, that's what happened to your little cornbread the last time. What? That's what it is.
Yeah, it's right there.
So I'm just gonna keep on shredding it. Hold up. What is that on the channel? Get the look quicker. I ain't never think I was gonna use this little thing here. I just thought it was gonna be in there. We might as well just do a little cookie channel, huh? While we cooking, we kind of spin out. Well, I really have. Okay, that should be enough. Look at that. I want to let me even it out right too. All right. Okay, so then after that, you're gonna add. You can add, and you don't have to. Yeah, I'm a battery, so we're gonna try to move this thing along real quick, okay? So after that, you just throw a little garlic in there, the minced garlic, Baby said just eyeball it. So I'm gonna go drain this. So when I went out of town, I was craving my spinach dip in October. Even though, because I like it a lot. It's one of my favorites. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Hopefully y'all can. And so they had some, I had went to this one place. It's called Mellow Mushroom. And they had some on the menu. They had none. I was like, what? So I was craving it. So I said, once I get back home, I wanted to get some. But then Root Man Babe was at the store. So I was like, well, let me just go ahead and let me go ahead and get some. The ingredients for it. Because I'm trying to get this, I'm trying to get the Applebee's taste of it too. I take that back. I take that back. I take that back. I did eat some spinach dip, but that was at like the first restaurant because we went to Yard House. And I ate some, but I shared with my niece and nephew. So I didn't really get to enjoy it like I wanted to. I was like, let me just let them have it. Okay. And and I went to the second place and I didn't get any more. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and thank you. Put some Parmesan in there. I think that should be enough. We're gonna put spinach dip in here. I mean the spinach. I'm thinking if I should dump the rest of it in here, or would it, or would it be too overpowerful? And I'm gonna have to add some more cheese and stuff. I mean, technically, it's spinach dip. How you pronounce it? Artichokes, 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 artichoke. Okay, open that to me, please. Thank you. Put that in there. And then this is about 15. And that's about how much you need. Let me get a spoon. I want to mix this up a little bit first, and then I'm gonna come back in with the cream cheese. Hopefully this turns out like the rest, like the recipe there. Oh, and some black pepper. And with a little bit of salt. We'll get that in a minute. But I really haven't had anybody that do their spinach dip like Applebee's. Everybody have the different taste of it, but I just like Applebee's the spinach dip. Like even the spinach dip that I tried down there, I was like, nah, there's nothing compared. So, all right. I didn't even read how much it is. So I'm gonna probably go with about a good. And don't talk about my nails, y'all. They broke. Just my thumbs. Ain't that something? What did I say? Oh yeah, it was 4 ounces. 4 ounces. 4 ounces. I remember now, because I remember talking to Brandon about it in the store. So it's already labeled. So we're going about right here. So it's half of it. know. I'm trying to figure out how to wrap this up. But I can see it. Put that on top. Alright. Okay, we can do it like that. We'll just wrap it back up like that. Oh no! I tore the box apart, so I can't really do that. Or I'll get one of those plastic bag things. So that's really what it is. Very simple. Very mindful. Very simple. Very mindful. Very demure. I know that's why I played out by now. But anyway. Okay. So I'm trying not to put too much in it because I don't want to be too salty. I'll let this out for now. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in and mix it around. And I want you to cook it for 30 minutes. So you gotta cook this for 30 minutes on 3. Well, you know what we already put on 350, okay? 350 is the norm. So, all right. You know what I can preheat the oven, but that's all right. We're gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna come back to you guys whenever this is complete. Okay, so it's already been gotten. So this is how it turned out. And yeah, let's see. All right, so this is it. I think I need to put it in there for a little bit longer because it looks like the cream and cheese didn't get melted down how it's supposed to. But we're gonna try it. Let's see. I don't know. Uh-oh. Okay. Then I'm gonna put it back in there and let it go. But it's good. Okay. I don't know if I can see. Uh-oh. The taste is good. Oh, shoot. The taste is good, but I think I need to put it in there for a bit more now. Okay. And I'm still eating. I think that recipe was a good recipe. Yeah. I wonder if this does it matter? I'm putting like 250. And then Brandon finished the chicken. The chicken's done. I think one of them like barbecue spice and one of them just regular spice. And then he made some potato waffle fries. So that's it for dinner. So I was out minding my business, and I realized that these kids had toilet paper this tree. We haven't did that in years. I just thought it was funny, so I just recorded it. Like, yeah. All right, so I had got some perfume from Bird. So I want to smell it real quick. I'm just trying to find my fragrance. Let me see. All right, so this is called Michael by Michael German, Emily in Paris. So yeah, I might call this something. This might pronounce something else. So let's see. I think we're gonna cards. So let's see. This is what the bottle looks like here. So I'm just gonna spray it. I like it. It has seductive neroli, French pear, Parisian rose, dreamy jasmine, and soft amber. I like that. I could do that. Okay. So this is the next one. This is Stunning London Paragona. And this is what the bottle looks like. It has rose, Damascene, lily of the valley, vanilla, amber, and white musk. I feel like I had it before, but it's like a soft, powdery.
I smell it.
Soft.
Like the baby powder thing. Don't know. It smells good though.
I feel like I had it. It got a little powder smell.
They sent you another one. They sent you two of them.
Powdery smell.
With the,
I guess it might be the vanilla. Alright. And then this one is. I'm recording right now.
Oh, I didn't know. You didn't tell me.
This one, okay, so this one is Antica Formicita Cozy You. And it has bright peach, white floral, cashmere, vanilla, and white musk. So they all kind of got the same in there. Something is the same. So let's see. I smell the peach in there. They're cool. Pretty cool. I like it. Yeah. I guess it'll turn a little heads, you know what I'm saying? So those are the so that's this one. And this one. All of them really got the same thing in it. One or the other. So like this one, it has the amber in there, and this one has the amber, and then this one, these two have the white musk in there. Yeah, and I think one of them in the vanilla. And I think Lily in the Valley, yeah. So yeah, that's why majority of them kind of like and smell a little bit alike, but yeah, because they got that amber or that white musk in it or that Lily in the Valley. All right then, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I just want y'all to see the fragrance I got. All right. Alright, so y'all come on and go with me. We're gonna go down to the little Piggly Wiggly or whatever. I had put this eye cream around my eyes because I'm trying to get rid of these stuff, the darkness around my eyes. It's like some gel type stuff. But anyway, yeah, so we go down to the Piggly Wiggly, aka HEB. Y'all remember the Piggly Wiggly? I think they still might got some. So we just go over here. I want to get like some seafood. I got a craving for seafood, so I'm gonna get this like seafood bag combo that I had showed y'all before, and it's gonna make that on this Sunday. So yeah, let's go, girl. So I'm about to do the seafood stuff. I missed y'all at the store because I was like just going in and going out, and when I be shopping, I be going in and going out. So yeah. Anyway, so I had, bless you. So I got 2 fish seafood boil bag. So it comes with snow crabs, including corn, red potatoes, and 3 Shawway sausage package. This one comes with potato, corn on the cob, sliced wild gulf shrimp, and do sausage and boiled seasoning. So I really got both of these because this was missing what this didn't have, and vice versa. So I had put a little seasoning in there. So I had put like some Old Bay, and I put like some garlic in there. And if I gotta season it some more, I probably will season it some more. This one I'm eating for tonight. I had the craving for some seafood, as always, majority of the time. Culinary seafood. So the thing that it clearly has the part where you can tear it off, right? So this how it comes in here. This part. This is probably separate because there's lots of people that don't like crawfish. Or vice versa. Not crawfish, crab. And this is how it comes. So it comes with the little bag thingy, and the potatoes, and then the crab. About 2 of them, but I'm gonna cook this one right now. Let me tell you about some scissors. So, you fell down. I get it. So I'm just gonna put this in here too. Hope I didn't put too much of the seasoning in there because it's a lot of water. I thought I was putting just a little bit of water in here. Not like a little bit, but enough that whenever I put this in here, it wouldn't overspill. So, girl, I guess that's in there. Hopefully this turned out well. I tried it before. I really didn't like the potatoes in it. But we'll see. I'll just let that boil for whatever good amount of reason. Boil good amount of time. But it looked like this. Let that cook and whatnot. Okay. And I mean, I could really microwave it. It's really could be microwave, but I'd rather boil it. I don't know if it's too much gonna make a difference. This one you can put it in the oven or stove top. So, as you know, seafood don't take really that long to make. I'm really debating if I should put this in there. So, I probably should. I think it's just gonna overflow. Oh my god. Exactly what I said, y'all. Look. And it's still running. So let me dip some of this out. Okay. Oh shit. Get a towel, clean this up. I had picked up some water too. This is running low. But yeah. I know we got some stuff in there and look like butter like stuff, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put some more butter in there. Cause I like my stuff buttery. So we're gonna see how this works. How this go. It's really not butter, it's really vegetable. Oh. Look at there. Looking good. Oh yes. Put that seasoning in there. Let it sit. Okay, this is my little seafood bowl. It's my little seafood bowl. I need my eggs. They still boiling. I waited, even though they probably should have been boiled with them, but that's okay. I may eat it, possibly. I've been already eating a little bit of this or whatnot. And so, yeah, just a little bit. And I've been letting it sit for, like sucking on the juices and stuff and get real marinated and everything like that. So it should be good to go. Only thing I don't have is the eggs, which, like I said before, they're on the stove. They probably about done, but I'm not gonna eat all this, so I can eat the egg with it later on. So yeah, let's go ahead and eat this. I pulled a lot of the water part out of it. It's not really in there. What have you guys been up to? Like, I feel like I missed. Look. I feel like I missed a whole lot of you guys. I've been doing my thing. I've been really just grinding and stuff. So I haven't really been like into, you know, YouTube or anything like that. Not saying that I don't want to, but I kind of like, I catch the moment when I catch the moment. You know what I mean? So I just, you know, I'm there. But I've been good. I've been doing good, decent. Just really focusing on my financial situations and stuff. So that's what I've really been up to. And then also at the same time, CapCut went down. This CapCut is back up. But I did have CapCut on my computer, but it was just taking a little bit longer than expected. It's just like a whole bunch of stuff. And, you know, I traveled, everything like that. So everything is kind of been like a little bit everywhere, anything, you know. Things like that. Might watch Netflix and chill for a little bit. I took my nails off and stuff so that I can do my nails again. Put lotion on my face, put the oil on my face, put the lotions and stuff on my hands and my legs and my toes. And that's just what I'm gonna do. Okay, girl? All right. All right, so this is what I had got. I got this for free from them. You know, when they have like the promotion and stuff like that, or like, oh, you can get a free product and da 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 da. So I've used it 2 times. This is the one I was talking to you about in the video. It's like gel. And it's basically like dark circle definer. So I just go in and I go like this. And then go around, like really just around my eyes. All right. Take a little bit more, go around my eyes. So, cause I'm really trying to get my eyes, under my eyes clearer. Okay, cause it's the main problem I have with my face is underneath my eyes and above my eyes. So that's it. So you guys have a great night. Love you. Bye.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you.